I always enjoy interacting with viewers and answering questions when I can. Recently, I received a question on Odysee under my latest Ticklore meme, asking how you add images to the blog posts. While I did answer the question, it didn't feel like I did enough. So, I figured I'd do a short tutorial for a better explanation. Starting with a new post, we fill out the basic information, adding our title, a custom URL, and then the content of our post. To add a picture, simply click, hold, and drag the image from your desktop onto the main body of your post. The file will be uploaded, and a custom link will show up when it's finished. That's really all there is to it. When you are done, simply continue filling out the rest of the upload requirements and hit the post button. And just like that, you're now able to add fancy graphics to your blog posts.